Hey y'all, good morning. I just thought I'd do a little quick video, like literally like a 2-minute video. Um, you'll have to excuse, I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but y'all will have to excuse my fan in the background. Y'all look. Oh, can you see? Okay. I just got it. Y'all can't see it, but no, right there, right? No, okay. My microwave, y'all, it won't work at all. I'm pressing the vent button. It's not doing nothing. It's beyond my control. I can't do nothing. But I have my fries here. I'm gonna fix me some fries. And I just wanted to share with you what seasonings I put on it. And I want to know down below in the comment section what y'all do. Do y'all season your fries, or do you just leave it bland, or do you put salt on it? Like, let me know what y'all do. I'm interested. So my seasonings, I did garlic powder, onion powder, Cajun, garlic pepper, and I did soul food. Now this is my salt right here. This and this technically, but this is where the salt is, soul food. So you don't need any real salt because this will take care of that. Garlic and onion powder for flavor, Cajun seasoning for spice. So that's what I added to my fries. Let me know down below what you put on yours, or do you just do salt, or do you just do nothing? I don't know. And I also added some oil to kind of give it. This is going to be in the oven for about 25 minutes, so just to give it a little crisp. Oh, let me know if y'all put oil on your fries too. My mom never did that, but I did because I feel like it gives it a nice crisp texture. So yeah, but that's it, y'all. I just wanted to share that little bit with you, and I wanted to share that update about my fan because it's literally not working. I put in 2 service requests, you know, because I was like, this is what happened, y'all. I was making pizza. I put the pizza in the microwave, and I sat down. I sat down in the living room, and then out of nowhere I hear the fan going on, and I'm like, I'm tripping, y'all, because I'm like, ain't nobody down here but me. Why is the fan going off? And I realized it wasn't working, so yeah, I put in the service request, and the people called me and said, we know we're not going to get to it right away because it's not an urgent matter. So, and technically it really isn't, because I have my stove and my oven. Those still work, and those are more important than the microwave. So yeah, but that's it. I'll give you guys an update later as far as this microwave situation goes. The fan's been running all night, and it's just been that. But I'm gonna let you go, guys. I will talk to you guys in a new video, and yeah, till then, see ya.